Alright guys, so welcome back. In this section we are going to install Golang on our virtual machine. So currently I have my Windows virtual machine open, so if you have followed the previous steps and you have installed this Windows and Kali, so go to this Windows machine and open a browser. So here just write download Golang and it will put you to this link golang.org.tl. And then just install this Microsoft Windows version on it. It is going to take some time to download. Once it has downloaded, just click this link and open it, and it will pop up this installer. So click next, and by default it will save this to C/go. So leave it is unless you want to change, and click install, and it will install Golang on your system. Okay, so now it has installed properly. Just click finish to finish installing, and then in order to test if it's working properly or not, you may have to restart the system, but I think it should work. Just open up a terminal, just write go version, and it will tell you the version that is installed on your system. So if you see something like that, it means that Go has installed properly. So that's it for this lecture. I'm going to stop here and see you in next lecture.